Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different. We're going to take this thing out for a drive, get it warmed up. It's a cold day here in Tennessee, and I don't know, as I was coming out here to the garage, I got thinking, this is what I do with my car. I was wondering what everybody else did with their cars in the winter. I mean, winter's hard on cars, I think, my personal opinion. Especially this old girl. I mean, this old girl, she grew up in Ohio, and I know growing up as a kid, fall came, October-ish, she got put up till spring. She didn't get out. I mean, now that I've got her down here in Tennessee, I can take it out in the winter, weather permitting and all that. You don't get as many days that you can get it out. It's been raining and it's winter time, right? I mean, the weather's just not great. But like today, it's especially cold. It's like in the lower 30s, if not 30 today. Leave a comment down below what you guys do with your cars. I mean, how do you winterize them and put them totally away? Do you live in an area where you can get them out, like I can? This is February. This is kind of winter still for us. What do you guys do? I'm just kind of curious to know. My personal opinion with this down here in Tennessee, what I do is I like to at least once a month, if not more. I try to do it more, but at least once a month, I like to at least get it out, weather permitting, let it charge up. I try to get it out usually once a week. I at least try to get it started and let it run a little bit, but I'm just curious. I mean, do you save all your winter projects, projects that you want to get done before car season, let's say spring, summer, do you make a list and do certain things to your vehicles before spring so you can have it done by the time the nice weather hits? Basically what I do with mine, I'm kind of like, way, if I got something to do, I'd rather do it in the winter time when it's not car season. I mean, this thing's more of just maintaining her, so I try to keep it just charged up and, get it out, run, keep all the seals and everything fresh. And, I know when you let them sit, it's hard on them. So anyway, I'm just kind of curious on how everybody does their car stuff, especially in the wintertime. How do you take care of it? Do you make special projects, or do you do like me, keep running it just about all year round, whenever you can, weather permitting? Anyway, let's go take this for a drive, and we'll see you guys in the next one.